Welcome to Love Set Run.
I'm Andre.
And I'm Sierra. Join us as we backpack around the world, leaving a footprint of love everywhere we go.
We'll show you how you can consciously volunteer on your travels,
How fun and rewarding it is to give back,
and how you too can make a difference in the world.
Vámonos. Welcome to Iquitos.
It's our first day in the hectic city of Iquitos. We're on our way to find the Monkey Island main office to figure out how this whole volunteering thing is going to work.
Aisha, clearly a lap dog. This is Gilberto. He's the founder of the Monkey Island Sanctuary, and he's showing us how we're going to get there. Monkey Island.
There's only one way to get to the Monkey Island, and we're about to find out how.
Many of the people of the passengers they will disembark there. You will go to it.
Okay.
Yeah?
Gracias. It was a 45-minute fast boat ride to the port, and then a 30-minute slow boat ride to the island.
On the way to the island, our slow boat actually ran out of gas. The driver had to refill the tank as we floated down the Amazon, but we finally arrived.
So we were at a boat stop on the way to the Monkey Island, and someone was trying to sell this turtle on the black market to eat, and muchas gracias. I bought it so we could free it. I named him Nelson. Now he's free. Andre is crawling with monkeys right now. We just got here and they think you're the cat's meow.
Our first volunteering duty every morning is to, well, clean the duty.
Oh, kisses.
La Isla de los Monos is a family-run rescue center for New World monkeys who's been rescuing, rehabilitating, and releasing monkeys into the wild since 1997.
The sanctuary has successfully released over 200 monkeys back into the wild.
One of the most important aspects to our volunteering duties was simply socializing with the monkeys, and a lot of time that meant just hanging out.
Buenos dias.
Spark, I promise.
The animal trade in Peru continues to displace monkeys as souvenirs, trophies, and meat.
Orphaned baby monkeys come to the sanctuary to be treated, rehabilitated, socialized, and then released.
La Villa de los Monos also looks after a couple different types of parrots.
Just kidding.
Allow me to introduce Adrian, the resident titi monkey. Titi monkeys communicate with each other by using this very distinct, very loud call.
And now, a tour of our humble abode for the next week.
Hola Marta.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Gracias.
Hola. Okay, this is our messy room. Don't look.
Feeding time! We've got bananas, mandarins, carrots, grapes, and even baby formula.
Bless you.
Playtime! Grooming time!
Oh, I saw that.
And finally, nap time.
Stay tuned for Monkey Island Parte 2.